You would agree with me, it's so frustrating to send crypto to the wrong address on Binance. So you want to stay tuned to this video to the end, like and subscribe. Okay, so do you also want to have great testimonials like so many persons who have watched my videos, keep having and keep sending every single time, talking about recovered fund, money online, and so many stuffs like that? So you want to be sure that you're actually subscribed to my channel. Enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see this video. So let's just dive right into the video right now. Now, sending crypto to the wrong address on Binance is so frustrating, and this is actually where you check if the transaction is coming in. If you've waited for like a few minutes and it's not coming in, all right. So if yours is not coming in, then I'm sure that you know what to do right now by the time you're done watching this entire video. All right, so now you come to your Binance, click this button right here. When you click that button, now the next place you're going to click is check for solution. Then you tap on check for solution. When you tap there, it will take you to an entire page where you are going to find solution to your problem. But note, before you do any recovery on Binance, right now they charge about $30 per recovery. Before now it used to be free, but now it's no longer free. At least they are actually better than other exchanges that don't even care about whether you lost your crypto or not. Okay, so now when we get here, you see if you forgot to fill memo, let's say in a case where you're sending like a crypto like Stellar or XRP that require memo, you choose this one. If you deposited an unlisted crypto on Binance, you choose this one. Another exchange refunded to Binance and it's not reflecting, you choose this one. Don't know the above, none of the above. Okay, if it's none of the above, you choose this particular one. Okay, so here, forgot or fill in wrong crypto tag. Okay, I won't put that. So deposited an unlisted coin, so I'm gonna use this, although the coin is actually listed. So I'm assuming I sent a crypto. I'm assuming I sent let me use this instance, sent my ETC to an Ethereum address. All right, so this is how to fill out this form. So you click on submit and appeal. So mind you, before now you should have like about $30 in your Binance account, because that will be taken up when the form will be processed. All right, so when I click on that, choose the coin that was deposited, the crypto that was sent. Choose your deposit crypto. Okay, I'll choose ETC, search ETC. So if yours is not there, you just have to write the name. Okay, if the crypto is not there, you have to write the name. Okay, so deposit network. Okay, you could choose the network that you deposited the crypto on. So for me, let me choose the deposit on BEP20 network. All right, because it's actually on BEP20 network. All right, then deposit receiving address. Deposit receiving address, receiver's address. The address you actually send the crypto to on Binance is the address you are putting in here. All right, put in that address. This is the address I sent it to on my Binance. Okay, this is the address. Okay, this is the address. Okay, now what is that, the address? No, 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 no. Okay, that's not the address. Let's scroll back. This is the address I sent it to. Okay, so let me tap and click on the ETC again. So come here, change that address, paste in this. This is the address I sent it to. That's my Binance receiver address. Then deposited amount. Now this deposited amount used to confuse a lot of persons, especially when it's an unlisted crypto. The deposited amount is not in dollars because dollars fluctuate. The amount you're entering is the amount in the crypto that you sent to Binance. Okay, so now the deposited amount, I'm going to choose how much ETC was deposited there. So I deposited about 8.03 ETC. So copied it. So I'm going to paste that right there. So now most times the so many decimals are not allowed, so I just have to approximate it that way. Okay, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Then the transaction hash ID. Now I have to come to the blockchain and look here and look for the transaction hash ID. Okay, this was the transaction. This is the hash. I need to tap on it. I'll copy the transaction hash ID. All right, then come to my Binance and paste it right in there. Boom. So I've successfully filled this record. All right, now the next thing I'm supposed to do is to submit. So if you tap on submit, deposit successful, view transaction record. Okay, so now I've successfully deposited this complaint. So now I can click on view transaction right here, records. So see, so after a few days, okay. Now what that is telling me is the crypto was actually deposited, because that particular crypto was actually deposited to my Binance. So the deposit was actually confirmed completed. So in your own case, you just have to tap on the submit, and then the case will be under review. So within few days, if you actually fill the information correctly, just the way I made it in this video, then Binance will contact you telling you, okay, we are processing this right now. You should receive your crypto within the next 2 to 3 weeks, or within the next 30 days. So now one thing you have to note is the crypto will not be deposited into your Binance. Rather, it will be processed back to the wallet that it was sent from. All right. So I sent this crypto from my Trust wallet to Binance. Now the crypto will be sent back to my Trust wallet address that it was sent from. So if you're asked to provide the address you want the crypto to be deposited in, so you have to actually go to the Binance chain. That is the You have to deposit the address that you send this crypto from. All right, so now I'll just go to the blockchain, scroll all the way down. Okay, yeah, so you see it was sent. This is the hash ID. So it was sent from to this address, which is my Binance address. So I'll tap on the address that it was sent from. So when I tap on that address that it was sent from, I just have to copy it right here. It still has 0 ETC, and then send to Binance, and then it will take them in less than 3 days or 1 week to process that particular transaction, and to automatically just go through. So if you are having this kind of challenges, and then you're not able to process yours, feel free to use my email in the description of this video, or send me message on Instagram, and then I'll respond as quick as possible to assist you. So at the end of the day, if you're able to recover your crypto and you want to sponsor some of my video or donate to the channel, so feel free to as well do that. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. All right, so you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.